So your neck ain't moving that much. Well, let's take care of that. These exercises pair well with the lacrosse ball exercises that I offer, but these are just basic ranges of motions that you can go through in the beginning when you wake up, start your day, or when you got that kink, or you got that, I just got that knot, doc. Well, a lot of the times, reminder, it's a brain problem, it's not a neck or a low back problem, and motion is lotion. These movements are very important to be able to do, so you're not just coming in codependent on me, but you're actually starting to take care of yourself. First one is just simple rotation. So you're gonna look to the left as best as you can, look to the right as best as you can. If you wanna get jiggy with it, add a breath in before you move. So it looks like this. Exhaling back center. Other direction. Exhaling back center. 10 to 15 each way. Next, flexion and extension. Extension is like this. Flexion is down. If you have a hot disc, it might be more difficult to go through either of these motions because the body's gonna try and protect itself. So do this with caution, of course. And ideally, you had an initial exam and I know where you're at. If you're just finding me off YouTube, well, that's all good too, but make sure you talk to your licensed healthcare professional before you just do these exercises. 10 to 15. Enjoy or explore the sticky spots in case something's like, you get stuck, come back center. Last two, lateral flexion. So, ideally you don't shrug. I'm doing it, doc. No, use and isolate your neck. Bonus, I learned this from my brother, Dr. Jordan Fairley, and a lot of our adventures with KTC. Amazing company that I've been a part of for the last 8 years of my life. It's called the Funky Chicken. So there's protraction, retraction, protraction, retraction. A lot more people need more retraction because they're so protracted. So 10 to 20, this direction. Bonus points if you give yourself a double chin. And then the last one combines it all. So it's like your chin's on a saucer on a plate and you're gonna protract while going into rotation and then going into rotation the other direction and pulling back, separating or creating space from the occiput side. It looks like this. Again, take your time through these different exercises and allow yourself to really bring some good motion because motion quite indeed is lotion. So again, rotation coming out, chin being the guiding force. Bonus points if you give yourself a nice good double chin or more. Switch directions. Oh. Ideally, you're learning to isolate your neck in any of these joints. You can do this before you get up out of bed. Bonus points. T-spine, cactus arms. Allow yourself to rotate to the left, rotate to the right, and I think they're called butterfly circles. It's good to just add some good rotation here, rotation here. Why did I add this to a cervical range of motion video? I'm so glad that you asked. It's because the neck and the mid-back are interconnected.